How to add new iCloud mail rules on iPhone. First, let's return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in Settings, we tap on the Apple account name at the top. After that, tap on iCloud. Then tap on Mail, or you can tap on CO, and then tap on iCloud Mail. From here, scroll down and tap on iCloud Mail Rules. Then tap on Add Rule, and then give it a name. So for example, if we want to filter out any emails coming from shopping site such as Amazon, we can type in, say, shopping Amazon, and then messages from. So if it's from, or we can use the subject line, so it has subject containing, say Amazon, and then we choose an action. So you can move it to a different folder, move it to trash, we can forward to, and so on. Okay, so choose an action and then choose a folder. So I'll select shopping and then tap on the accept button. So we have now successfully created a new rule for the email app. So if I go into my email and send out an email, so here I create a new email with the email address, subject, and the content. So I tap on send. Okay, so after a while, once your email is synced, if you have new emails and when it's come in, it should be going into my shopping album or folder. So it may take some time, but once it is arriving, you can see here it goes into my shopping folder. And so that's how you can create a new iCloud mail rule on iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.